My name is Krishna Kumar. I'm Managing Director, State Bank of India. We have just inaugurated a new branch at Sanat Nagar. This will help all the customers who are living and who have their offices in this area. This branch will do all banking activity. We also have installed lockers for the convenience of the customers who want to use the locker facility. And I hope that the branch which has been inaugurated today will be one of the best branches in this part of the city. You must have seen the press conference and which our chairman and all the managing directors and the top management had just 2 days back, in fact last Friday in Mumbai after the declaration of the Q3 result. The NPAs are something which we are trying to tackle and which is being viewed very seriously by us. We have done a lot of things to rectify, to solve the situation. We have opened, as you know, a special group called the Stressed Asset Management Group, and this group is being given the task of handling all NPAs of above 1 crore, which are what we call going into the hard recovery mode. That is, after persuasion, after all that, if the NPAs of the borrowers do not pay, we will take the next logical step, which is to file court cases and do whatever is necessary to get our money back. So this group has already been created 3 years back, and now it is being given more staff, and they've been given additional responsibility of handling even NPAs of 1 crore and above. So with all these steps, and apart from various other steps you have taken, right down to the grassroots, where we created teams to contact the borrowers, we have created teams to find out why people are not paying. If possible, we are trying to help them in restructuring their account. If restructuring is not possible, we are asking them to repay the amount. Wherever there is a lot of, let's say, despite a lot of effort, nothing is happening, we are taking action against the SARFAESI law by giving notices and trying to seize the property and take it to the logical conclusion. We are trying to help the industry in coming out of the problem. So one way of helping them is to look at what is the debt they owe the various banks put together, and is the problem because of something they have done or because the economy has gone bad. Now, if it is something because for which the economy has gone bad, we will try to help them in restructuring the account. So it is happening, and in genuine cases, we are definitely doing it.
What are the top 3 sectors where you see stress in the industry?
Right now, the stress, we have been seeing stress for a long time in various areas of iron and steel. That still continues in iron and steel. As far as infrastructure goes, it is basically those companies or firms who are doing contracting work, where they are getting into trouble because they are not getting the payments from their end customers, whoever it may be. Who use our own ATM, we will not charge anyone anything. Because it is our ATM, we will not charge. But if my customer goes to another bank ATM and uses it, we will see how best we can try to maximize our earning from that, or to put it another way, how best to reduce my cost. Because when he goes to another bank ATM, I have to pay the other bank some money. So to reduce that cost, we are working out some methods how to do it. Across the country, we have about 35,000 ATMs. State Bank of India alone has about 35,000 ATMs across the country. No, we'll go ahead, because we believe that the ATM is one method by which we can help the customer, and also we can help reduce the crowd in branches. Because what is happening now is the crowd is coming in branches because they don't have a facility either to withdraw cash or to deposit cash. So we are installing a large number of ATMs. What we call ATMs are basically cash dispensing machines. And we also have something called a cash deposit machine. I have just inaugurated a cash deposit machine downstairs. So it will help all the customers, especially those who are just coming to deposit cash or withdraw cash, if we open up the number of either ATMs, cash dispensers, or cash deposit machines, which we are doing. See, the credit offtake so far right for the 9 months so far in the current financial year has not been very good. There is not much offtake in the corporate and the corporate-like area. There is reasonably good offtake in retail lending, in home loans. There is reasonably good offtake in agricultural financing. But it's only in corporate lending where the offtake has not been as good as we thought it would be. And probably even by March 14, we don't see much of offtake in corporate, but we will see fairly good offtake in retail and agriculture.